Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking for a way to make really durable repairs to plastic items that have broken? Well, I want to show you this awesome plastic welder from Allturn. So this is a way to make repairs to plastic pieces that is much stronger than any glue or adhesive. So this kit comes with everything you need to get started. It has the plastic welder itself, a utility knife, a pair of snips, a variety of different metal staples, some extra plastic material, and a tip for smoothing and welding the surfaces of the plastic. So the way that this works is actually very simple. All you need to do is turn on the machine, you can insert your staple that you're going to use, and then when you're ready to start, you pull the trigger and instantly you're going to see that it's heating up. That little metal staple is going to get red hot really quickly, and then you know that you're ready to apply it to the repair. Placing the staple down into the plastic will melt the plastic around it, and once it is melted, you can go ahead and release the trigger, let it cool down, and then you're able to take off the welder, leaving the staple there. So that staple is going to give a super secure bond to the break in the plastic, and then you're able to smooth over it and cut off the excess pieces of the staples, and then you're good to go. So what you're left with is a super strong joint that has the plastic actually re-melted together, as well as the metal inside, creating that really durable hold. It's a really handy item to keep around, not only for automotive repairs, but for things around the house that break that are made of plastic. So if you're looking to try your hand at some plastic welding repairs, I would definitely check out this kit from Allturn. It is a really user-friendly and affordable way to make repairs at home and save yourself some money in the long run. So I have been really happy with this product, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone, and that is my point of view.